under Sicilian.
We are coming to you from Mount Etna, our beautiful lava stone cottage, Piope. And it's been raining and wet and cold, which is not really normal for this time of the year here, but it's going to warm up for Christmas. So, Joan, on a day like today, what do you think I should make for you today to eat?
Well, Loredana brought by some fresh eggs from the hen house today. So why don't you make some soft-boiled 6-minute eggs?
Right.
And those beautiful avocados from Guido's place down
in the valley.
His estate down in the valley.
Yeah.
And some fava beans and maybe some greens.
Yeah.
Why don't you make that? That would be wonderful.
Oh, I think I'm going to do that. From Harry and Joan. Ciao.
Ciao.
Avocados, sing your ancient song. In your heartbeat we all belong. Through your streets we walk alone. In Avocados we stay strong. From the hills to the shining sea, Avocados, our hearts set free. With every sunrise we awaken dreams. In this village, love redeems. Fields of gold under endless sky. In Avocados, spirits fly. Every sunset paints the night with Avocados, gentle light. Fields of gold under endless sky. In Avocados, spirits fly.
Well, Joan, how lucky are we to have friends like Loredana and Orazio? This morning while we were working on a video, YouTube video, she comes by and says, well, I'm going to Presa to pick up some bread. Would you like some? We said, absolutely. And then what else did she drop by then? Joan.
She brought by some eggs from their chicken coop just down the hill here. A few steps, fresh eggs, and we made them for breakfast.
With Avocados, gentle light. Fields of gold under endless sky. In Avocados, spirits fly. Every sunset paints the night with Avocados.
That's amazing. Wine is always good.
Yes.
We're Harry and Joan.
And what is all that nutrition that you're always looking for in your meals, Joan? What is it?
This is, well, to start off with is there's fava beans here, which are extremely healthy for you. Lots of fiber, protein, amazing. Then we've got sun-dried tomatoes. Never mind tomatoes, but sun-dried tomatoes. They're very intense. The Reggiano Parmigiano cheese.
Correcto.
And this is artichoke.
Oh,
Very, very good. And then, of course, avocado a day.
yes.
As much as we possibly.
Wines. Avocados, sing your ancient song. In your heartbeat we all belong. Monte Argano, we stay strong. Cobblestone paths and rustic charm, echoes of laughter in every arm. Every face tells a story, oh, Mount Argano, a treasure boat. From the hills to the shining sea, Mount Argano, our hearts set free. With every sunrise we waken dreams. In this village, love redeems. Mount Argano, sing your ancient song. In your heartbeat we all belong. Through your streets we walk alone. In Monte Argano, we stay strong.
Beautiful area. Wow. He's got avocado trees. He's got lemon-teen, which is like a an orange tree, but just a really little one. The little ones, like a Japanese, Chinese mandarin.
Guido,
Perfect.
perché te ne intende dei film, ragione mi vede sull'età che
Yes.
And then the egg, I'll just cut that one out.
Oh,
That's soft,
look at that.
semi-soft egg. Put some pepper.
Yes. A little bit of pepper. And a little bit of salt.
Salt.
And then we have one more egg over here, Joni. You want to grab that egg and put it on your on your beans and cut it open, and then you're pretty much ready to go.
Here we go. Egg is always good. Some more
Oh.
protein and perfectly fresh.
Oh.
Beautiful, right from the chicken coop.
Yes.
A little bit of salt. Ooh.
Is that any good?
That is perfection. A most perfect brunch, breakfast, lunch, after almost 24 hours since we ate last
Yes.
night.
Exactly.
This is perfect. Lots of fiber, lots of protein, lots of vitamins. Even the parsley, the greens
Yes.
you got in here.
Yeah,
so,
and they're easy to eat.
yeah. Oh, wonderful, wonderful.
Now it's time for me to get
Let
prepped
me
up, but you
taste.
can taste the egg.
Mmm.
That's like eggs that are chickens that are running around eating grasshoppers and grass.
Yeah.
They just have a
What more
different.
could you want? Like I mean, there's
Exactly.
nothing in those
Yeah.
eggs. No grains, nothing.
No,
No.
but look how
It's very
nice and
perfectly
orange.
healthy, right here on the mountain.
Yeah, look how nice and orange they are, right?
Yes, very, very dark yellow.
And the bread
See?
and a perfect
Honey.
perfect pane, perfect bread, and that olive oil
They
there.
make it every day. Every morning we pick it up fresh.
Right.
And there's no preservatives, nothing in there. All the oil is from
That is the new olive oil from
the
this
new
year,
one From this year.
and we're going to put that on top a little bit. But
Yeah, we can just go like this.
yeah, and just put a little bit on top. Oh, baby, don't waste the olive oil.
Oh, pardon me.
Oh, pardon. No, that's very good. Oh, that's so good. So, cheers.
Cheers.
Wine is always good.
Wine is always good.
Ciao. Ciao.
Ciao.
Wine, red or white, is always good. Now, one of the things that we've learned to love over here is fresh parsley. And when you take a bite of parsley, a little bit of avocado, a little bit of soft boiled egg, It is so good. And parsley is so good for your system. And you can eat it just straight. Ciao.
Mount Etna under Sicilian sun, where the olive trees are forever young. Winds whisper secrets through the vines. In this village, magic intertwines. Mount Etna, sing your ancient song. In your heartbeat we all belong. Through your streets